obviously, like, we've all been, like, hearing about it for, like, a while, but then, like, the Thursday before spring break, like, my mom called me and she's like, because, like, we have, like, the river, it's, like, pretty close to our house, but we have, like, a levee, and she's like, I think the river's, like, gonna go over the levee, and I'm like, that's not good. And then it did, so, like, my house flooded, but, like, it wasn't that bad, because, like, we have, like, a wall, so, like, it was about, like, 6 feet of water, but, like, our wall was, like, 3 feet, so it, like, stopped it, a lot of it. So, like, my house was, like, fine. Like, obviously, like, we had to clean out the whole basement and, like, get rid of all of our stuff, and it was, like, really hard, like, work that we were doing, and, like, it was, like, kind of sad, because, like, me and my sisters all live in the basement, and, like, I had to, like, throw all, like, my sister's stuff away.